in bed and free. Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe.
After seeing this equation, what will strike in your mind? Probably the great scientist Albert Einstein. But what does this equation mean actually? Many of us have heard it, but not many of us have understood it. In this video, we will be knowing the meaning of this famous equation. First, we must break down this equation so that we can know what does each letter mean. From the equation E is equal to mc square, E represents energy, m represents mass of the specified object, usually measured in kilograms. C represents the speed of light. Actually, this equation gives the equivalence of energy with mass. This equation gives the idea that a large amount of energy can be produced from a small matter if this matter can be changed into pure form of energy. This tells that matter and energy are interchangeable, that matter can be changed into energy and energy can also be changed into matter. This equation means that even a single particle of matter can have equivalent energy of its weight multiplied by square of the speed of light. But the energy released is very high that it goes far away from imagination. That's why nuclear bombs and atom bombs are very dangerous. This E is equal to mc square has given a tremendous improvement in the field of mechanics. But from above equation, you may get a doubt that how single part of matter can give that large energy. Remember that the matter and energy is interchangeable. In our previous researches, it is found that light has no mass. But in this equation, mass plays a main role. If mass can be zero, then energy also to be zero. But this is not the correct approach. Try to think of it after this video.